Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee V Max. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, add to Wallet, and now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and now if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select Loyalty program you are participating in. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card and similar to Loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.